Assalamu alaikum. Dear kids, how are you? Today we can learn about articles. In the alphabets A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. The alphabets other than A, E, I, O, U are called as consonants. Consonants. Articles are of two types. They are definite articles, indefinite articles. Definite articles is the. Indefinite articles are a and an. Now we shall learn where to use the definite article a. The definite article the is used in the superlative degree of comparison, like the best student, the worst news, etc. Then definite articles are also used to describe anything unique. Anything unique. The earth, the moon, the sun, the star, the universe, the road, etc. Then definite article is also used to describe anything which is big and wide. The mountain, the hill, the river, the mountain, the hill, the ocean, the pond, the lake, etc., which is big and wide. And also it is used when a noun is repeated several times. For example, a man lived in a village, where a man is a noun. A man is a noun. So first a man is used here. Then again, if we want to continue the passage, we cannot write again a man was very poor. In this case, in order to when we repeat the story about the man, we write the man was very poor. Okay, so the definite article the is used to repeat a word, a noun, several times in a passage. A man lived in a village. The man was very poor. The man was very old. Man was also old. So to repeat, when a noun is repeated, we use the. So where do we use the? The is used in superlative degrees like the best, the worst, the tallest, the latest, the smartest, etc. Then anything which is unique. The earth. Earth is only one. So the earth, the moon, the sun, the star. Then things which are wide, big, the mountain, the hill, the river, the sea, the auditorium, the hall, which is big. Now, next is where to use the indefinite article a. Indefinite article a is used in a singular noun. Singular noun. What is a singular noun? Bag is a singular noun. Bags is a plural noun. Okay, in the same way, cat is a singular noun, one. Cats are plural. So, article A is used in a singular noun where the singular noun has consonants like B, C, D, F, G other than vowels in the alphabets. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Other than A, E, I, O, U, the other alphabets, the word when it starts with the alphabets other than vowels, and if the word is a singular noun, we use A. For example, a bag, one bag, a bag. For more than a bag, we say two bags, more bags, three bags, etc. A cat, see, consonant, cat, C. You don't have A, okay. Then D, a fan, a goat, a hen, a jug, a kite, a lamp, a monkey, a nest, a pen, a quill, a rat, a soap, a tap, a zebra, a yak, a dog, a xylophone, a van, a watch. So where to use consonant, where to use article A? Article A, indefinite article A are used in singular nouns starting with consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. Now, where to use an? An is always used in vowels. A, E, I, O, U. But we cannot consider all the words starting with A we should write only an, not like this. We have to pronounce the word and understand the sound. For example, vowels are used in indefinite article an is used in vowels which make the sound like a, I, OU, E. Okay. For example, aeroplane, A. So we have to say an aeroplane. An aeroplane. Apple. Apple has the sound A. So we say an apple. Apple. An apple. Egg. Egg makes the sound A. So we write an egg. An egg. Island makes the sound I. So we write an. Umbrella. Umbrella A. Umbrella A. So we write an. A sound. So an. Honest, a sound, or an. Orange, a sound, an. Owl, a sound, an. Indian, E, Indian, an. Idli, E, so an idli. Eagle, E, an eagle. Urn, a sound. So an ostrich, a sound, an ostrich. But when we see here, you can see the difference. You can see an orange vowels I have told you, that vowels which has O in the first, nouns which have O in the first letter can use an, but we can only through the sound we can write an. Now you just say the word one. It does not make the sound of a, I, ou or e. It is ba. So you have to write only a. If you have ba sound, you have to write a 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee note. Now, an umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. A umbrella. A umbrella. But you just say the word university. What is the sound? What is the sound? It is U. U sound. U. When you say the word, when the word has a sound U, you have to write only A. Though it is a vowel, you have to write only A. A university. Union A. Because U sound. You cannot write an here. European A. Whole Ha. The sound is Ha. Ha. So you have to write only A. And A. A sound. And honest A sound. But whole H. So ho. Ha. So A. Whole. A. Useful. A. Unit. There are some exceptions. Exceptions means though see MP, you have the consonant M here, but you will not write A. I have told you for monkey, A monkey, but for an MP you should always write an MP. It is an exception when MP and MP only. X-ray and X-ray. MLA and MLA. MA degree and MA degree. And IAS officer. Okay, so these are the things today we have learned about articles. Articles, there are two types of articles, definite articles, indefinite articles. Definite articles are used in the place of superlative degree, repeated nouns, unique, big. Indefinite articles A and an. A is used in singular nouns starting with consonants, whereas article an is used in vowels like A, E, I, O, U, where the an is used according to the sound made by the word. Okay, have a good day.